How's it going, everyone? This is a Fort Wayne guy here, and we have a marginal risk for severe weather today. As you can see, I am green right here. So, yeah, this is going to be EAS Compilation Number 2, because in March this year, I already did a weather alert video, but that was on the old Penn, Ohio WX channel. So now, ours will be here on the Fort Wayne guy, and please excuse my raspy voice. It's kinda uncool, so yeah, I will also be posting EAS archives. One day I'll do is what I call a double header severe thunderstorm warning. Which warning will have some swear words, so if you're sensitive to that, please bear with me. So yeah, let's start EAS Compilation Number 2. Pittsburgh just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Belmont until 1:45.
Southeastern Belmont County and East Central Ohio, Eastern Monroe County and East Central Ohio, Southwestern Greene County and Southwestern Pennsylvania, Marshall County and Northern West Virginia, Northeastern until 2:45 p.m. At 1:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located at the polar midpoint, or 6 miles south of Moundsville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Currently sunny with a temperature of 79 at Reedville, location is Buffalo, and Erie, Pennsylvania. And was cloudy with a temperature of 83. The current time is 1:59.
Wait.
Weather bulletin.
So finally we get something. Wowzers. I'm just gonna wait for Cleveland.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties, Greene.
Oh my God, are they for me?
Following counties in
No.
West Virginia, Monongalia, and Wetzel. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, northeastern Wetzel County in northern West Virginia until 3:45 p.m. At 2 8:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles east of Cameron.
Let's try this again. Sorry if that video then it's here where you're ending. My iPhone decided to be stupid and stop recording because of my storage. Sad.
Alias death was done.
Weather. This is a severe weather update.
Alright, so this is severe weather update from this.
Quick weather update with some new weather information. National Weather Service just issued an additional severe thunderstorm warning in effect for the southern portion of Greene County down into northern Monongalia County. This warning goes until 3:45 this afternoon. It's for the same storm that's been coming across Marshall County in the southern panhandle of West Virginia. The general movement here is to the east-southeast at about 20 to 25 miles an hour, and the storm
You had to expire. Flash flood warning. Flash flood warning. That was. Rest in peace, Greene County. I actually just. Siren for this went off and I just pressed it immediately. Hey, while we're at it. No. Alright, warning.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waffle, Dealer Station, Lone Oak, Glen Easton, Brave, Lincoln, Grove Oak. Turn around.
Wake up! Crap, I missed it! Dang, I missed it! Dang it, Billie Eilish! Quick disclaimer, I forgot to point this out in the beginning. So, I will upload EAS Compilation Number 1 from March 16th, 2025. So, that video was called the St. Patrick's Day Weather Massacre because it occurred on St. Patrick's Day weekend. So, yeah. So, this may or may not happen, but this is where the EAS compilation comes to an end. It's most likely not going to happen because, I don't know. So, yes, there's another severe weather risk tomorrow. I'll be doing that. As long as it doesn't storm, it's going to mean going to LTEX, Mary's Truck and Electric in Lordstown. So, yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace out, y'all.